Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use shortcuts for commenting in Visual Studio Code, based on the comment by Vishesh Sehgal. By using these shortcuts, you can easily comment out or uncommon code sections without the need for manual typing. Let's get started. First, let's open up Visual Studio Code. Here, I have a simple Python file with some code. To comment out a specific section, you need to select the lines of code you want to comment. I'll highlight this block of code by clicking and dragging my cursor over it. Now, with the code selected, it's time to apply the comment shortcut. On your keyboard, press and hold the Control key, and while holding it, press the question mark key. So the shortcut is Control plus question mark. Great! You'll notice that the selected code section is now commented out. It's indicated by adding comment characters, like hashtag in Python, at the beginning of each line. This means the code won't be executed when you run your program. To uncomment the code and bring it back to its original state, simply select the commented code section again. Now, using the same shortcut, the comment characters will be removed, making the code active once more. And there you have it. Using shortcuts for commenting in Visual Studio Code can save you time and effort when working with code. Feel free to experiment with this feature and integrate it into your coding workflow. Thank you for watching.